Hello and welcome to the 500th episode of What's Inside that I've filmed. Today we're looking at the Shadow of Oz tarot deck. This is a very rare tarot deck, not just because of the Oz theme, but because there were very few of these actually printed. I have a sealed one here. We're going to open it up and look in the contents. These cost right now, as of 2017, about $100 online. If you're lucky, you'll find somebody that doesn't know what they have and you'll get it significantly cheaper, but these are very, very hard to find, so I thought in commemoration of the episode being the 500th one, we'd take a look at it. If you're watching this on my 40 channel, then you should probably click the link to check out some other gaming stuff if you're interested in that. Otherwise, normal programming will proceed as always. Sporadic and unreliably, like usual. Alright, so this is from Illogical Associates from 2014. I believe there were only 500 of these made, but I have no proof of that, so that's just speculation on my part. Back of the box. This is very, like I said, very, very hard to find. I'm super excited to open this. I've been saving it for a while because I want to do something special with it. So let's see what we've got here. Oh, the text on these is by Mark Anthony Masterson, writer of the Dorothy comic book series. Alright, let's just get right into this. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Alright, it's a full-size tarot deck. That's pretty awesome. Oh, wow, that book is really thick. Look at that. Alright, so here's our book. It's 76 pages long. Pretty much just tells you about the individual cards, like you'd expect. So it's pretty long. The binding, not super great. Well, the binding itself is fine. It's this creasable cover that worries me a little bit. You're going to want to take real good care of this because the quality is good, but I don't know if I would get too busy with the shifting those. Alright, so here's the back of the cards. Looks really cool, actually. We got Dorothy there. We've got the Tin Man over here, a flying monkey there, and it's mirrored on the bottom. Oh, that's Ozma. That's not Dorothy. That's Ozma. She's wearing the crown. That's a really cool image. I would get that as a poster. Alright, so let's see what we've got here. Well, this is I mean, you can see, I'm a grown adult, so you can see how big these cards are. These are nice and big. Alright, we've got Dorothy with Toto. And she's wearing the silver slippers. Sorry if there's a little bit of a glare. Then we've got the wizard. Looking pretty sinister, actually. Alright, which cards are these? Dorothy is the fool, apparently. And the wizard is the magician. Then we've got Glinda as the high priestess. We have Ozma as the empress. 3. Yeah, that one's 2. 3, yep. Then we have the emperor as the Tin Man, which probably should have been Scarecrow. We have the Hierophant. The Lovers. The Chariot. There's the Cowardly Lion and the Hungry Tiger with Ozma. Then we've got Justice, which is TikTok, of course. The Hermit. The Wheel. Strength. The Hanged Man. Alright, that's funny. Death. It's got the poppy field next to a wheat field. That's interesting farming. Temperance. The Devil. The Gnome King. That's cool. The Tower. The Star. The Moon. The Sun. Judgment. The World. Ace of Wands. Two of Wands. Three of Wands. Four of Wands. Five of Wands. Six of Wands. That's the flag of Oz, if you didn't know. Seven of Wands. Eight of Wands. Nine of Wands. 10 of Wands. Page of Wands. Knight of Wands. Queen of Wands. Patchwork Girl. King of Wands. Ace of Cups. Two of Cups. Three of Cups. Four of Cups. Five of Cups. Six of Cups. Seven of Cups. Eight of Cups. Nine of Cups. 10 of Cups. Page of Cups. Knight of Cups. Queen of Cups. King of Cups. Ace of Swords. Two of Swords. Three of Swords. Four of Swords. Five of Swords. Six of Swords. Seven of Swords. Eight of Swords. Nine of Swords. 10 of Swords. Page of Swords. Knight of Swords. Queen of Swords. General Ginger. King of Swords. Ace of Discs. Two of Discs. Three of Discs. Oh, Jack Pumpkinhead showed up. Four of Discs. 5 of discs, 6 of discs, 7 of discs, there's Jack Pumpkinhead again, 8 of discs, 9 of discs, 10 of discs, page of discs, knight of discs, queen of discs, and finally king of discs. Alright, overall I like the art. There's some real classic stuff with like Ozma and the chariot with the hungry lion, or the hungry tiger and the cowardly lion, or formerly cowardly at that point. The card quality is really good. These are very large cards, which makes it a little difficult to pick them up without having them slide all over the place. I really love the back of the cards. I think that is a really cool image of Ozma, the Tin Man, and the Flying Monkey. Yeah, they did a pretty decent job with the imagery, especially like this one of Glinda. I really like that. I'd get a poster of that. Like I said, this one, that was the cover of one of the books, and I really like that image. Yeah, overall, pretty fantastic tarot set, pretty decent quality. Don't know how well it would hold up to repeated shuffling, but it's more of a collector item than anything else. I don't think it's really meant to be used too heavily. But that is what is inside the Shadow of Oz tarot deck. Really nice collector set. If you're a tarot card collector, this would be a really good addition to your set, to your collection, especially due to the rarity of it. It is expensive if you can find it. I liked it a lot. I thought it was really nicely done. Very beautiful art. Nice sized tarot cards. Bigger than most decks, honestly. And it's a full deck. And the box is pretty sturdy as well. But that'll do it for this episode. As always, thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. And we hope to see you on the next episode.